husband. Edward Cullen, he's my lover. Edward Cullen, he is real. Edward Cullen is my reality. Yeah!
You know Edward Cullen doesn't exist.
Yes, he does!
What's wrong?
Wait,
what's wrong? What's wrong with her? Where did Edward go? Where's Edward?
He doesn't exist.
He does too!
No, he doesn't.
Don't lie to me.
Don't fight with me. I know what's true and what's not. I am like a
If he doesn't exist, what are the books about? He exists.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
You can't fight
Edward Cullen. Okay, Edward Cullen does not exist. Don't fight with me, alright? I'm scientifically smart here, alright? Edward, he does not exist. No, he does not exist.
Then who am I married to? Who does this ring belong to? Look at the ring. It's Edward.
That might have been in a dream. No, Edward does not exist. No, Jacob is real. Jacob Black is real. Edward Cullen is not.
Then who is this? I thought this was Renee.
It's a coconut.
It's Renee. That's Renee because look, she just grew.
Edward Cullen doesn't exist.